Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with another plan with me. So we're doing the week of Monday, April 23rd through April 29th. The sticker dots are leftovers from Sticker Monster Co. kit for the Erin Condren because the Happy Planner ones are huge. Anyway, so this kit is the Planner Girl kit from Cupcakes and Stickies. You can't get this one because it was in her Planner Girl box exclusive. That also came with this bow clip, which will be one of my new releases this Thursday. So you're seeing this Wednesday, so it'll be up tomorrow. So this will be in there tomorrow. This one has already been in the shop, but I like the light pink in it. So I know I'm mixing silver and gold, but it's okay. But there's definitely a gray in this spread and silver, and so that's what I went with. And then she also had matching washi tape made for her kit, so I'll be using that. Now what her kit looks like in her shop right now is the basic Bujo. It's basically the same thing, but just black and white. So where's the box that looks like that? Right there. Okay, so that's the difference, is that one is patterned and one is not. So you can color these in if you want. Like, that's totally up to you. So that's what that looks like. And then she had other people, other shops donate to her box, including me with my bow clip. So she had AB Organizing donate this one. And then Sticker Monster Co. donated this one, and then Pretty Planner donated this and I think some die cuts, and then Britannia did this one. So I thought I would incorporate those as well, especially the quote one. So I'll probably put that in my little box down there. So we'll see how this spread turns out, because I'm planning with a completely different kit. But I know I did a Cupcakes and Sticky spread last week. Yes, well, the week that we're in is not it, but the week before. And it was one that like was retired basically from her shop. Also, I wanted to show you guys, I did color my printable that is in my shop. You can actually get this. So I colored it in with Wink of Stella color markers, pens, I'm not really sure. And then I wrote on it with Paper Made Gel. So I just wrote in like some family birthdays. And so I thought I would put this as an insert in my planner. So I think I'm going to jump to like whatever month is like next. So this will probably just go in the June spread for right now until I hit June, and then I'll move it to October and that kind of thing. But if your family is bigger or more spread out, then I think it would be better. But my family is like all clumped right here, and then one over there. So that's what mine looks like. So I'd love to see yours if you bought one. Now, new releases for my shop. I did come up with a Planner Girl one. It's not exactly like my prototype, but I think you guys will like it. So that's what it looks like. It's pink glitter on white background, and it says Planner Girl. And then the back is just white and matches up. So I hope you guys like that one. I'm not sure how many I'm going to have listed. They are kind of difficult or high maintenance to make, so they're not my favorite thing to do right now. But I did make, I'll probably make, I don't know, maybe 20. We'll see. And then I have a new palm. We're calling this one Lemon Drop. So I hope you guys like that. Do you guys eat lemon heads? Because that's what it reminded me of. And then we're also going to have another palm because you guys have been wanting purple. Here it is. I'm calling it grape juice because that's what it looks like. It looks like grape juice that you drink at communion. Anyway, also new to the shop, very new, and also a palm, but different, is baby grape juice. So we're going to have mini ones. Isn't that cute? Especially for like the mini Happy Planner or TNs or Bujos. I thought that would be really cute. So I have palms now. I bought some in different colors that I'll be releasing as we go. And so some of them will have matching ones. So we have grape juice and then baby grape juice. And I thought that was so cute. And then I have a teal heart that matches the teal bow and the teal rose. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, actually... So there's the teal bow and the teal heart, so it matches. And then I'm also going to have, it matches this one, because that's the same teal. And then it also matches, oops, sorry, I just hit my lighting, this teal and silver. So you could get this one on silver. This one's on gold right now. But there you go. So this one matches a few that are already in the shop. And then we also have one more new release. My next pen loop is going to be this like minty teal with gold roses that kind of look like this actually on it, and it'll be available just on a gold clip because it has gold foiling on it. So I thought you guys would like that one. So we have a new pen loop, a baby clip, and then 4 other planner clips, and my husband helped me design this one, so super excited about that. All right, let's get started on planning. Sometimes I feel like I start these videos and it's like all about me for the first 5 minutes. So sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna put the washi down first, and then I definitely want to use that Life is Beautiful box. And then I was thinking I would use, because those are quarter boxes, I can fit those anywhere, and these are quarter boxes, I can fit those anywhere. This I'm probably not going to use in this planner because I don't track anything Monday through Sunday or meal plan anything, and then this like it's kind of like a monthly spread, and I don't think I'm going to put that in here, so I think I'm going to skip that one. But and then the checklists kind of fit. They're kind of long. We'll see. Then there's gratitude. I could use that one over here, but I was going to use the full box, that one over there. I'm kind of thinking, and then I can put this one over here, and then Britannia's box over here maybe. I don't know, I'm trying to decide. And then there's habit trackers, but I don't use that. I don't use this planner like that, so it'll be interesting. Okay, so we're gonna do the Life is Beautiful first, and then I'll put down washi tape. It like saves some of my washi tape if I do this first. So it says always be humble and kind, and this one says Life is Beautiful, so we're going with this one because it matches my kit that I'm going to use. So, and I have discount codes to Britannia and Nicole at Cupcakes and Stickies and Sticker Monster Co. in the description box below. Alright, so then I said I was going to use this one. Look how cute. Little swirls on the side. We'll use this one over here. Whoa, there we go. But her kit was cool. It came with like a little sticker book, and it came with what's I'm gonna call it? The washi tape and a pen. Where's my pen? What's this one? Yeah. It came with this one. It says Planner Girl and has Loretta on there. So cute. Okay. So I want to put this here, but I think I'm gonna have to put some washi tape down or something. I'm not sure what I'm going to do there. I haven't decided. There's some glitter stuff. I'm looking at what's in these. Those are like little functionals and the cheapest and quarter boxes. See, I like these half checklists. I think I'm going to use those. We'll see. Okay, let's washify. That's what I call it. So here's one that kind of looks like a sketched plaid. That's what I'm going to call it. I don't know what she calls it. I don't remember. Sorry. Alright, my washi cutter is my Cricut scraper. Oh, and thank you guys so much for ordering during the Planners Collaborative sale. I would say this one was even more active than other collaborative sales that I've been in. I don't know if that's just because like it was a good time, people had money, or it was my new releases, or what. I'm not sure what the difference was between the other sales, because it's hard to gauge it when it's like you're doing them in different months, you know, you're doing it with different shops, so it just varies so much that you can't really necessarily compare like different sale groups and how well it goes to like it being because of the group. It's like, well, there's different shops and they're different at promoting, or how many followers they have to promote with, or whatever it is. So, but the last of my orders are going out tomorrow, so Wednesday, the day you're watching this. I only have 2 left. They are already packaged and ready to go in my tote bag. I dropped them off on my way to work, which I think is another reason I ship so fast. It's because I drop them off like first thing in the morning. So they go out in whatever morning shipment they do at the post office. And I drop them off at like a post office that I know like is like a head post office. It's not one where it's like it goes from this post office to another post office. Like it ships directly out from that one. So that's why I like using it. But it's more expensive to have a P.O. box there, so I actually have my P.O. box at a different one. I know. Weird, right? But yeah. So that's how that works. I like this one with the little flowers. It's really cute. I mean, I like both of them, but this one has flowers and I think they're adorable. So I just put these at the bottom. I've always done it that way. That one looks a little different. I guess I should have put this down first and then that one, but usually I don't have to worry about it. So I thought about putting this one here. And then I'll show you. put the other one vertical, like that. Like almost like a little flag. What if we did a flag? Where are my scissors? Oh goodness. There they are. Hiding in some planer clips. Cut it off like that. I mean, I have a flag chomper, but I usually use that just for weekend banners. So if I put this down here like this, like a flag, and then cut that off right there, and then put the gratitude box in. Does it fit? Oh, it's still too wide. Okay, we'll do another flag. One more on both sides. Just cut it at an angle. So this is what you do when you don't have your chomper. Stick that down. Right about there, I think. Trying to make it pretty similar. Like that. This. Good. And then the gratitude box. I don't know why I'm stuck on this gratitude box. I just really like it. She actually has been doing like $1 Wednesdays and stuff on things like this. See how cute that looks? There. That was fun. It's fun to do. Okay. Moving on. Moving forward. Okay. So I'm going to focus on what's in the kit first. So I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to skip using those because they don't really go with what I'm doing. Put this up here like that. And then we have this other half box. It's kind of scalloped. I'm going to put this one over here. Like trying to decide where to put these. They're so cute. They're all hand drawn. This whole thing is hand drawn, which basically is like Bujo style. And I'm not a Bujo planer, so I want to turn it around. Does that matter? I feel like I want it to go this way. I'm gonna put it here. And then I want this one over here. There. That's cute. And then that looks like you're gonna list ideas, and I don't have any ideas in this planner. Those are kind of too long, so I'm gonna put those to the side. I'm gonna use this quarter box. Ooh, there's a half box on this one. Let's grab that one. Use it over here. And then, is there another one? Oh, there is another half box from Rotinia. Let's put that one down. That's fun. And then we can include these little quarter boxes right to the side. That's cute. Okay, so I used all of this sheet. I think Cupcakes and Stickies is a sticker. Yeah, so is Loretta. That's so cute. Okay, and then we have even more of these little quarter boxes that we can use throughout the spread. I'll probably end up using all of them because they're fun. That stitched one, that's cute. This crazy little zigzag one. I'm gonna put it with this one. There's like a gnat. What the heck? Nature. That's my reaction. Camping? What? Nature? No. Not happening. Goodness. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this circle one. There we go. There's that. So I think everybody has a quarter box, and I ended up with 2 left. And then I didn't even get to these. So I have enough to do another spread. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, definitely have enough to do another spread. Oh goodness, yes. There's even like these little half checklists. That would be really cute. Oh, that was my phone. I'm sorry. You know what notification that was? Yahtzee. I play Yahtzee with friends. What do you guys play on your phones? Do you play games on your phones? Or no, not really. You're just sitting there cruising Instagram all day. Yahtzee is the only game I play on my phone. Alright. So these are cute. There's some little Planner Girl. We're going to use these as deco. Planner Girl bows. Those are adorable. Another quarter box. There's Me Time Laundry, Car Wash, stickers. Another quarter box, so we'll save those back. I don't know when any of this stuff will take place. Is that a stack of books or a cake? You can tell where my mind's at. Oh, pizza. There we go. Yeah, you can tell. There's like a payday planning. That's cute. Those are fun. Okay, and then this one is from Pretty Planner. So I'm going to put the little coffee kitty on Monday. Like Coffee Monday. And then there's like Happy, maybe Happy Friday. Let's do that one. Happy Friday. And she's mad. Happy Meal. Kissy Lovey. Playing on the computer. Boys playing video games. Make a Wish. What is that one? I don't know what she's doing. I have no idea. Oh, she has a cup of coffee. I was like, what is this? There's like smoke coming out. It's steam from her hot cup of coffee. That's so cute. Okay, so I'm going to use those. And then we have spread pick cameras from Britannia Nicole. So I take spread pics of this planner on Mondays. And my dog is barking. That's Penny, if you haven't met her. And those are adorable. And then we have my character sticker in this planner. Is a little kitty cat from Pretty Alice, who's not on Etsy but is on YouTube. And I just stick the cat anywhere I please, as far as that goes. And then I think we're going to use the little mouse on this one. So put the mouse right there. Got a friend. Okay, we already have our Friday sticker. So we will use the Hump Day sticker. This is from Pretty Alice too. Girl, hook me up. Alright, and then there was a Planner Girl sticker, wasn't there? Yeah, she's planning right here from AB Organizing. So we'll use this one on Tuesdays because that's when I plan in this planner. And then there's Family Game Night, coloring. Yeah, those we use throughout the week. There's the other camera sticker. Oh, he apparently wants to take pictures of playing games. Gosh. Okay. I'm going to put him back on the sticker. Remember, I was like, he's missing. He ran away. I don't know what happened. There he is. I found him. Stinking penguin. I know, how rude. Exactly. Glad you all agree with me. Okay, so I think that's the way it's going to look this week, guys. I'm excited. I really like this kit. I think it looks super cute. I'm going to put my little bow clip over here. And then I'm going to put my little flower over here. My little rose. This is the pink and gold rose. I'll put it over here so you can see everything else still. So that is my spread this week in my mini happy planner from Cupcakes and Stickies. Make sure you check out her shop. Use code Leslie15 for 15% off. Britannia is use RunWith20 for 20% off. Pretty Planner is Leslie20 for 20% off. Who else did I use? Sticker Monster Co. Did I use some of that one? Yeah, that was Sticker Monster Co. So use code Leslie20SMC for 20% off as well. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit a like and subscribe, and then make sure you click the notification bell if you haven't so you don't miss any of my videos, because YouTube doesn't always let you know about my videos even though you're a subscriber. So make sure you click that bell. All right, bye guys.